Hello and welcome. Here is the start of series of Portainer and Rancher setup. In this video I will install Portainer.io on Docker and add a second node to Portainer. Docker is required. Use GitHub script to install Docker. Let's spin up Portainer on Docker. First create persistenter volume for Portainer data. Then spin up containers. Then Portainer container is running and next open browser to navigate Portainer GUI. Portainer GUI is on port 9000 and server IP of course. Here select Docker and our container have started with these parameters. Let's add second endpoint to Portainer. I will clone Portainer 1 for second endpoint. Otherwise it have same spec that Portainer 1 node. Let's spin up second endpoint. First create persistenter volume for data. Then little differently start up Portainer container, which is call agent. Then add the second endpoint to Portainer on Portainer GUI. Set name for endpoint and IP address where second server is. Now both endpoint are ready for use. Thanks for watching and see you soon.